Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yopin Afiardi. I from class C, Electronical Engineering. Uh, I will present the text of the report that that I have met. Okay. Part one. Part what? It is cover in the cover. There is name, uh, number student, and symbol. Next, abstract. The good performance of a local generator circuit in the power supply for trigger TTL IC is very influential on the success of the lab. As a result, therefore, the effective of use must be adapted to its use and the practice. To create a clock generator circuit as sort of pulse from a digital counter IC. A timer IC can be used. This pulse generator or clock generator can be used for clock source in making counters up and down. Next, clock generator are often referred to as clock generator. To pulse generator in making the circuit is often used linear integrated circuit or IC integrated circuit. A, a linear IC that is commonly used in general is usually the NA555, which is a timer IC. As a timer, it can also be used analogy as a clock generator or pulse generator, which generally generate the frequency or time as needed. Uh, Next part, capital introduction. The In the introduction is background and purpose. Uh, one one background. Clock generator or clock generator is a digital circuit that is used to generate pulse or clock, which are then used to drive digital circuit. Clock is like for digital circuit without clock, digital circuit will not work. The clock generator circuit use the NE555 IC as its main component. As we know that the NE555 IC is the simplest is that is often used in digital circuit. Uh, the series of clock generator use 19 until 20 volt DC power supply which is supplied from the power supply circuit. This clock generator circuit is a digital pulse signal generator with adjustable frequency and duty cycle using the 55 timer IC, which is stably assembled where this is function as an oscillator that generates a stream of square pulse with a frequency determined by the resistance following the combination. Potentiometer VRI to adjust frequency and potentiometer VR2 to adjust follow duty. This clock generator circuit is also equipped with IC 7805 and IC 7909, which can be used a supply voltage digital circuit that will be used. Next, one two purpose. One student can design a clock generator circuit layout. Two student can explain how to clock generator. Three student can solder the power supply components properly and correctly. Four produce a clock generator circuit in accordance with its function. Next part it is chapter 2 procedure. The as procedure, uh, part 1 tool and material, part 2 material, and 3 tools. Part 2 material. Uh, first material is transformer ankle CT. One piece, dioda bridge one piece, capacitor 2200 microfarad, 17.5 volt, 2 piece. For capacitor, 100 microfarad per 35 volt, 3 piece. IC 7805, 1 piece. IC 7809, 1 piece. Resistor 4 407 ohm. Material, I can see the PowerPoint. Next tools. One, layout drawing. Two, Rugos permanent. Three, soldering lead section. Four, cutting pliers. And five, sharp pliers. Six, pliers. Seven, tweezer steel ruler soldering. 8, bus drill bit 0.8 millimeter. Next work step. One step is cut the PCB board with a size of 10 kali 10. To measure the distance of the component leg holes according to the original component size. 3. The size of the hole and the pads must match the foot of the component. 4. Check once again whether the design is correct. And next work step. Chapter 3. Chapter 3 is practical result. Okay, in chapter 3, practical result is the timer circuit using IC 55 in the picture above consists of the tiger giving part. The timer on the timer and the load or output part or interface to the controlled device. The part that give the tiger is the R4 177 0 configuration which serve to give the tiger to the 2555 IC a signal that the timing process begins. Next, chapter 4 or closing. In the closing is conclusion and suggestion. 1 conclusion. 1 IC and NA555 is an IC that is very influential in the clock generator circuit because its function to generate the required frequency or time. 2. Clock generator is often referred to as pulse generator or clock. Pulse generator in the manufacture of the circuit are often used linear integrated circuit or IC integrated circuit. Linear is that are often used in general are usually NA555. And finally, in addition to IC and NA555, which is very important in the clock generator circuit, other components are also very influential in the circuit. Part chapter 4 closing is suggestion. Suggestion is one part in working on the job. It is expected to remain calm, patient, and track. 2. At the time of making the layout, the path must be thick and full, otherwise the path will be cut off. 3. Make sure the pad on the PCB board are not close together so they don't stick together when soldered. 4. Make sure the component to be used are in good condition during installation so they don't turn upside down. Finally part reference. HTTP Rizky Syahrezalyadi 1310065 .blogspot.com. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.